Want to make money online with affiliate marketing? Today, I'll show you how to make money with ClickBank step by step, even if you're a beginner. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal my top 3 niches that can generate serious commissions. Let's dive in. ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks where you can promote digital products and earn commissions, sometimes up to 75%. Unlike Amazon affiliates, where commissions are low, ClickBank offers high-ticket opportunities in niches like weight loss, business, and self-improvement. First, go to clickbank.com, sign up, and verify your email. Once inside, head to the affiliate marketplace. This is where you'll find thousands of products to promote. But how do you pick the right one? That's next. Not all ClickBank products are created equal. You want products with high gravity score, 30 plus, means many affiliates are making sales. Decent commission, aim for $30 or more per sale. A great sales page, look for strong call to action, testimonials, and a money-back guarantee. Drop a comment below if you want my list of top-performing ClickBank products. Once you find a good product, click Promote, enter your ClickBank ID, and generate your unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll be using to make commissions. You can promote your affiliate links using free traffic or paid traffic. Free traffic methods. YouTube, TikTok. Create short-form content related to your niche. Blogging. Write SEO-optimized content targeting relevant keywords. Facebook groups, join Reddit. Answer questions and provide value before sharing your affiliate link. Paid traffic methods. Facebook ads. Run targeted ads to people interested in your niche. Google ads. Promote ClickBank offers via search ads. Solo ads. Pay email list owners to send traffic to your affiliate link. Email lists, either your own or from great resources such as My Lead Gen Secret. See the link in the description below. If you're just starting out, I recommend focusing on free traffic first and then scaling with paid ads. Most people don't buy on the first click. That's why email marketing is crucial. Your email sequence should include a welcome email introducing yourself, value-packed emails, tips, case studies, promotional emails with urgency, limited time bonuses, discounts. The good news. Almost all of the offers on ClickBank have affiliate pages that provide proven email swipes that will convert. For even better results, use ChatGPT to customize and make those swipes your own, so people aren't seeing the same old email they've already seen from other affiliate marketers. See a prompt I use with ChatGPT to get the best results in customizing my email swipes in the description below. Once you start making commissions, here's how you scale. Double down on what's working. If YouTube is bringing traffic, make more videos. Retarget visitors with paid ads. Use Facebook/Google retargeting ads. Build an authority brand. Start a blog. Grow a YouTube channel, and establish credibility in your niche. Comment ClickBank money if you're serious about making passive income with ClickBank. Let's recap. Sign up for ClickBank. Choose a profitable product. Use free or paid traffic. Build an email list. Scale to 1,000 plus per month. Ready to take action. Download my free Succeed with Leads checklist in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips.